Hello and welcome to the Turnkey Trader video tutorial for using your charts. Now this video will be specifically for the version of Turnkey Trader in the Turnkey Charts platform. If you are using NinjaTrader 7 as your platform, you can find the video specifically for NinjaTrader in an alternate section. Although there are minor visual differences between a few of the indicators, the charts function identically. So first I want to cover the three separate panels we have here. We can see our charts are divided into our price bars on the top. We have our bracket panel in the middle, and our third panel is the direction ribbon. In our top panel, we have several indicators, and they are all significant. We have made it easy by basically color coding everything, and since the majority of our trades are trend trades, it makes it fairly easy to see when we should be looking out for a specific trade type. First, we have our 200 EMA, which is the large solid line that will plot red if it is trending short, and it will plot green if it is trending long. Next, we have our orange trigger line. This line is significant because we do use it to qualify a few of our trades in certain situations, looking for the tail of a bar to at least cross the orange trigger line. Next, we have our white signal line, which acts as a confirmation of the trend, and generally we look for them to be in this order. So if we're trending short, we want our 200 up top, followed by our trigger line below that, and our white signal line below that. And we also have our colored background that confirms that as well. And we'll see our colored background when we have all three of these lines in order. And our direction ribbon is on the negative side, and this will be reversed for a green color background. Next, we have our price bars, and these will plot in the direction of the trend every tick. So if we continue moving short, every tick beyond the previous DPI price, we'll plot a new bar. And you'll see a long bar that basically goes from DPI to the opposite DPI, or a full reversal. And we can refer to these as a turn bar or reversal bar. And our price bars do have a range, and oftentimes we do need to see the price retrace beyond that range, which will produce the tail or wick of a bar. And for any of our trades, we do need to see our tail and the body of our bar plot gold. And let's see if we can find a quick example here. Here we are. So as you can see, we also have our trade marker that can help you identify trades. It doesn't always plot extremely far ahead of time, so it is of course a good idea to learn the trade setups yourself, but it can be a helpful training tool while you are learning the rules and how to identify the different patterns. Now we'll jump forward, and I just want to explain one last indicator we have here. It is very important, is our DPI, or our dynamic price index. This lets us know at which price a bar will close. So if we are trending short and we continue to hit the red DPI, we will continue to plot red color bars provided our white and orange line are in the correct order. If they are not, we will see them plot as gray bars, basically letting us know that we will not have a trade in this area. If we're trending short, as we currently are, and we reverse and hit our green DPI price, we will plot a full turn bar. And this may be gray or it may be green depending on the order of our 200 EMA and our trigger and signal lines. Next, we have our Turnkey Trader bracket panel, and this basically adds as an additional confirmation of the trend, and we do use it to further qualify some of our trades. And lastly, we see our Turnkey Direction ribbon panel. Here we have our ribbon, which is the histogram, and our turnkey line, which is very important for qualifying some of our trades. And all of these can be found in the Master Rules section of the Turnkey Trader members area, which will go into more detail in a later video. And now I'd like to just cover how we can make some adjustments to our charts. We can right-click on the chart and select Edit Chart Settings. We have a few different options here: General Settings, which can let us adjust some of the text, background color, the dates axis, which lets us add additional horizontal lines if we'd like. And we can also load a certain amount of days if we want to go back farther in history. We can load 15, 30, or 100 days, provided we have that data downloaded into our platform. And then we have the options for each of our panels here. So we have panel 1, and you can see if we click on each indicator, we can adjust some of the colors. If you may like a different variation of red that may be easier for you to see, we can adjust all those from this menu. We can see we have all 3 panels here. So if you'd like to change the color or style of the EMAs, for example, the 200, we can change the line type, the width. So feel free to experiment with some of these settings. We can also add additional indicators to our chart if you would like to do that from the built-in indicators that are included with Turnkey Charts. So now that we have the basics of our charts, join us in the next video where we take a look at how to understand our trades.